Hey guys, thanks for purchasing our Clear Travertine Stone and Marble Sealer. This product is great when you have leather wrapped travertine, regular marble or stone that you don't want to change the color. Our product's going to come shipped to you in 2 gallons, which is up to 2,000 square foot, ready to use. Here we go. Simply open up your material, pull your sprayer out. Like I said, you have over 2,000 square foot worth of material already in the sprayer. You want to pump it up real well. Take all your accessories, pump it up tight so you have a lot of pressure in your sprayer. You do not have to use a lot of product. This is going to be more of a mist spray over the stone, travertine, or marble. Nice even coats. Back and forth until you get your desired area. Once you're done with this spray, there's one more step to this product. You want to wait, depending on the heat, anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes. As it starts to soak into your stone, you want to grab what's called a micro mop that has a nice smooth cotton end on the end of it, and you just want to take the excess right off the top. No standing puddles with this product. And there you go. Your stone and travertine has been color enhanced, sealed, and protected.